Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Easy Learning with Lakshmi Kumari. Last video we learned about how to find multiples of a given number. In this video we are going to discuss about how to find factors of a given number. So first of all, what is a factor? A factor of a number divides the number without leaving a remainder. That means, for example, if a number is given, like say for example 12, we can get this 12 in so many different tables, like 12 can be divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So these are called the factors of 12. So factor is a number that divides the given number exactly without leaving a remainder. That number is called a factor. So first of all, we should know about what are the properties of factors. See here, you can see 1 is a factor of every number because 1 can divide any number without leaving a remainder. So 1 is a factor of every number. And the next one is every number is a factor of itself. Every number can divide itself without leaving a remainder. Like say for example, 2 can divide by itself without leaving remainder. 3 can divide 3 without leaving remainder. So like that, any number can divide itself without leaving remainder. So every number is a factor of itself. And the third one is a factor of a number is either smaller than or equal to the number. Here in this example you can see we have already found the factors for 12. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So when you observe this one, 1 is the factor of 12 and 12 is also the factor of 12 and rest all the numbers are less than 12. So here you can see all the factors will be either equal to the given number or less than the given number but not more than the given number. Like 12 you will get in 1 table, 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, 6 table and 12 table but not in 13 table. So that is the meaning of this one. A factor of a number is either smaller than or equal to the number. And when you come to the fourth one, the smallest factor of a number is 1. So 1 is the smallest factor of any number because 1 is a factor of every number and it is also the smallest factor of every number. And the biggest factor of a number is the number itself. So here you can observe 1 is the smallest factor and 12 itself. That means the number itself is the biggest factor. So whenever you are writing factors of a number, remember one thing, you have to start with 1 and end with the number itself. That means the remaining numbers, whatever you get, will be in between. And a number has a limited number of factors. Like in multiples, we got a number has uncountable number of multiples. But whereas when you come to factors, a number has limited number of factors only. That means we can count. A number has 2 factors, a number has 3 factors. Here you can see in this example, number 12 has 6 factors. So like that, a number has a limited number of factors. So we will just find how to find the factors of a number by doing some examples. So say for example, these factors we can find in 2 different ways. One thing you can find by multiples, multiplication method, and the second one you can find in division method. So first I will tell you how to find the factors of a number in a multiplication method. Say for example, the number is 24. How to find factors for this 24? So 24 can be written as 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 into 8, 4 into 6. That's all. So 24 can be written as these many products, and these all numbers are called the factors of 24. So you can take an easy method. You can go in this U shape and you can write factors of 24. So come on, tell me, what are the factors of 24? We can start like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. So when you write the given number as the product of as many possible ways you can find that number as the product, those many ways you can write, and those all are called the factors of the given number. Come on, let us try with one more example. What are the factors of 30? So what are the factors of 30? It can be written as 1 into 30, 2 into 15, 3 into 10. Will you get 30 in 4 table? No. So 5 into 6. Will you get 30 in 6 table? 6 5s are 30. 7 table we will not get it. 8th table we will not get it. 9th table we will not get it. So 10 into 3. So when you are writing as the product of two numbers, there itself you are getting two factors. So take in the U shape and list the factors of 30. So what are factors of 30? Tell me. Right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30. So when you observe here, we are starting with one table and ending with the number itself. So that means while you are listing the number of factors also, you can write starting with 1 and ending with the number itself. And 1 is the smallest factor and the number itself is the greatest factor of the given number. So these are called the factors of the number. When one number is getting many factors like this, like 3 factors, 4 factors, 5 factors, here you can see number of factors for 24 and 30. These type of numbers are called composite numbers. Some numbers you can see like 2, 3, 5, 7, like these numbers you will get in those only those tables. Like suppose you take 2, you can write 2 as only 1 into 2. You cannot write into 2 into 3 or something else. So you can find 2 in only 2 table. Say for example even 3, 1 into 3 only you can write. So factors of 2 are 1 and 2 and factors of 3 are 1 and 3. And what about this 4? 1 into 4 we can write and 2 into 2 you can write. So factors of 4 are 1, 2, 4 and factors of 5, 1 into 5. So here factors of 5 are 1 and 5. So when you look at these numbers, some numbers are getting only 2 factors and some numbers are getting more factors. So the numbers which are getting only 2 factors, that means 1 and itself, such numbers are called prime numbers. These are called prime numbers, and the numbers which are getting more than 2 factors, these are called composite numbers. So here you can see we have many prime numbers below 100, around 26 prime numbers we will be having. And here below 10, just I'll tell you the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7. These are the prime numbers below 10. So like that, I hope you can find the remaining prime numbers below 100. So prime numbers, always remember, will get only 2 factors, 1 and itself. That means these numbers are divisible by only 1 and the number itself. We cannot divide that number with any other number. Such numbers are called prime numbers, and the numbers which you can divide with many different numbers, those are called composite numbers. And here I will tell you how to find the factors of a number by using the division method. So you can find the factors of a number by using the division method too. So say for example 16. How can you find the factors for 16? 16 you can divide with 1. Undoubtedly you can divide with 1. 16 you can divide with 2. Right, when you divide with 1 you will get the quotient 16. When you divide with 2 you get the quotient 8. And when you divide with 4, whereas we can't divide 16 with 3, you will get the quotient 4. And can you divide 16 with 5? No. 6, 7, 8. 8 already we got here. So here you can divide 16 with these many different ways. So these are called the factors of 16. So now list the factors of 16. Come on, tell me. 1, 2, 4. When you are getting the same number 2 times, no need to repeat. You can write only one time. 4, 8 and 16. We'll try with one more example. Suppose when you are finding the factors for 45. How can you find the factors for 45 by using this division method? 45 you can divide with 1 and you will get 45. Whereas it is an odd number, so you cannot divide with 2. Can you divide with 3? Right, you are right. You can divide with 3 and your answer will be 15. So can you divide with 4? No. Can you divide with 5? 45 with 5. 5 9s are 45. Just think of any other number can you divide? No. So here in this part you can stop it and you can circle all the factors of that number. These are the factors of 45. So list the factors of 45. What are the factors of 45? 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. These are the factors of 45. Now can you just tell me 16 and 45 are prime numbers or composite numbers? Because these are getting so many factors. So you can say these two are composite numbers. You are absolutely right. 16 and 45 are composite numbers. So these ways you can find the factors of the given number. And some questions you can get like find the common factors of given two numbers or three numbers or whatever it is. Minimum 2 numbers are there. You can find the common factors. How to find the common factors? Say for example, find common factors of 12 and 16. So how will you find? It's very simple. As we came to know, we can find the factors of 12 and we can find the factors of 16. Any method which is easy for you, you can apply that method. Now I am going with the multiplication method. First I am going to write the factors of 12. How can you write the factors of 12 by using multiplication method? So 12 can be written as the product of 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. Anything else? No. So what are the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Very good. Now find the factors of 16. 1 into 16, 2 into 8, 4 into 4. Anything else? No. So write factors of 16. What are factors of 16? 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Now it's time to find the common factors. How will you find the common factors? As I said you, common means same. Which are same in these two? 1, 1. Because obviously 1 is the factor of every number. 2, 2. 4 and 4. Anything else? No. So write the common factors 1, 2, 4. These are called the common factors. By using this, you can write even the highest common factor, which is also called as HCF. In these all common factors, which is the biggest number? That means the greatest number? 4. So 4 is called the HCF of 12 and 16. So this way you can find the HCF of the given two numbers. Let us try with one more example. 15 and 30. Let us find the factors for 15 first of all. 1 into 15, and 3 into 5. Anything else? No. So let us try the factors for 30. 1 into 30, 2 into 15, 3 into 10 and 5 into 6. That's it. Now write factors of 15. What are factors of 15? 1, 3, 5, 15. Very good. What are factors of 30? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Now it's time to find the common factors. What are common factors here? Yes, you got to know how to find the common factors. 1, 1, 3, 3, 5, 5, 15 and 15. You got almost all the common factors. 1, 3, 5 and 15. Now it's time to find what is HCF. HCF means highest common factor. What is HCF of all these? It is nothing but 15. Highest common factor is 15. So this is the way how you can find the HCF of the given two numbers. Questions can be asked like you can find the HCF of 2 numbers, 3 numbers, 4 numbers, whatever it is. But this is the method you need to follow to find the HCF of the numbers. Here you can follow either the multiplication method or even the division method. Whichever is easy for you, you can follow that method and you can find the HCF of the given number. Hope you all understood how to find the factors of a number and what are the properties of the factors and what are the methods, multiplication method and the division method to find the factors, and how to find the common factors and HCF of the numbers. So it's time to say bye. We'll meet in the next video with one more interesting topic.